So I don't really normally do this, but right now I'm going to teach you something about math. So first, if you have something, so here it says find 100 less than these numbers. So 100, 1000, and then there's a placeholder, which is 0. 83, you can't take away 100 unless you do something. So here I'm going to teach you. So all you have to do is write 1000, 0, 83, then, I keep forgetting. Maybe so get a paper or anything. I'm going to do this digitally, so I have here's some space. Okay, so you're going to write 1083, right? 83, yeah, 83. 83 here. This is just an example. Okay, then you're going to do take away 100. If perhaps you could write thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, but I don't always do that. So then let's see what we have. So then we have 3 plus take away 0 is 3. 8 take away 0 is 8. So now we have 0 take away 1. You can't do that because it has to be the biggest number first. So this is going to be 0, and then this is 10. 10 take away 1 is 9. 9, and then 0 take 0, 983. So there you have it. Let's do one more example. First, 983. The 0, it's a placeholder, so it's if there's a 0 in the beginning of the number, before, let's say in the thousands or the hundreds, the first thing, then you don't need to write it. So let's do another example. Let's say, okay, 1276. This just wrapped in my mind. Okay, so take away 300. So you're gonna do the same exact thing. 6 take away 0 is 6. 7 take away 0, still 7. 2 take away 3, you can't do that. So this is 0. 12. 12 take away 3 is 9. And here's a 0, so 976. That's actually really easy. Okay, so hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you want, write down in the comments below if you want me to do another teaching lesson. Usually I do things about Roblox and stuff. But anyways, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my latest videos. Peace, y'all. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to teach you Roman numerals. Okay, so these are the most easy and beginner's Roman numerals, which are I equals 1, V equals 5, X equals 10, L equals 50, C equals 100. So we're going to have to use all that information to see these numbers. So L is 50. So 50. And one tip about Roman numerals, you won't say 50. Okay, 50, then you say 60, 70. You don't say 70, then you add 11. So basically Roman numerals are stuck together. So okay, L is 50. 6, okay, L crossed out, 50. X is 10, right here, 60. Then we have another 10, 70. Then 1, 71, and 2, 72. Then we know the answer, 72. Okay, now let's try it again. What does X equal? Great job if you said 10. What does I equal? Great job if you said 1. Then V, 5. x 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Then 10 plus 5. I'm sorry, 11 plus 5, which is 16. So we got an answer for this one. Okay, now what does c equal? 100. Then 200, because there's two c's. Then 50, because L. 51, because of I. 251. 261. There you have it, Roman numerals. Super duper simple. These are the basic ones. So now I'm going to teach you next level Roman numerals, which are, so if there's two I's, you know it's 2, and then 3 I's. Until 3 I's, you can't do 4 I's. So you do IV, because 1 take away 5 is 4. So then IV equals 4. And then V equals 5. And then VI equals 6. VII equals 7. And on until you reach 3 I's. You can never ever go over 3 I's in anything. In anything. In literally anything. Unless you're like, unless you're doing a number. But like, just, you kind of get it. Hopefully you get it. But like, yeah, whatever. Okay, so you learned that IC would be 99, then 98, 97. So Roman numerals, they don't have really a number for anything pretty much. But like, actually, you could do, I'm not sure if this is a thing, but I think it's a thing, XC. Which means C, take away X. C, take away X. Like 100 take away 10 would be 90. So like, I think that's a thing. I'm not sure. But like, hopefully it is. I don't want to be teaching you something wrong. But like, this is, so hopefully you learned Roman numerals after Z's. So, peace, and I'll see you in the next subject. Okay guys, the next subject is still math. I'm doing math, still math, always math. Okay, so we just finished the Roman numerals. So here it says, what is the largest number that can be made from these digit cards? So usually if you're doing something like this, you choose the biggest one. Okay, 6. So 2, definitely not. 5, definitely not. 6, definitely not. 7, definitely not. So the biggest one is 9. So you put 9. So you put 9 here. Okay. Then cross 9 out because we already finished. Then what's after 9? What's the second biggest? So you put them, because 9, it would be 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 97,200. No, just, okay, let's say the number was, so you put the biggest number in the first digit, in the, like, biggest digit. The biggest number in the biggest digit. Like, what's bigger, 1,100, 10, or 1? 1,000. So like, put 9 in the thousands column. So then, if it helps, you can write thousands and hundreds, tens and ones, but I don't really do that. Okay, so then, what's the second biggest? 6 is the second biggest. No, 7 I mean, sorry. 7 is the second biggest. So then, you put 7 over here. Sorry guys about the handwriting. I know it's bad. Then 6 is the third biggest number in this thing. Then you have 5 is the fourth biggest. And then finally 2. is the last, which means it is the smallest. And then we just flip the number around. Let's see. What is the smallest number that you can make that can be made from these digit cards? Then you just flip it around. 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. There you have it. Okay. Bye, guys. I might see you in another subject. I don't know. But maybe. Peace. Okay, guys. Next up, we have... Wait. So, here there's a missing number you have no clue of. Well, yeah. So, you gotta find out that number. So, we use the inverse. What is inverse? What is inverse? What is inverse? Inverse is when you use, so the inverse of plus is minus, so the opposite of something. Inverse of plus is minus, or addition, subtraction, or times tables, division, times, divide, like that. Okay, there's a billion ways of saying it. Anyways, so basically you have the inverse of plus is minus. So 5,655 take away 3,410. 5,655. The big number has to be first. Okay, then we have 3, 4, and 10. Take away 3, 4, and 10. There, whatever, not 10, whatever. What, you get it. So then erase this now. And that. Okay, so 5 take away 0. Oh, right, I forgot something. 5 take away 0 is 5. 5 take away 1 is 4. 6 take away 4 is 2. 5 take away 3 is 2. 243 goes over here. Now we're going to repeat the same thing, but with this one. This one is subtract. What's the inverse of subtract? Addition. Addition, there. Hopefully that looks good. Okay, now we're going to erase this. Okay, now, so actually, you can still use subtract. Yeah, but if it's subtract, you do not, I repeat, you do not use the inverse. You use subtract. Subtract is always the way to go. So 6,000, sorry about that. I don't know what that was. That was nothing. Okay, whatever, ignore that. 6,720. 6,720. Take away 5,220. Okay. Equals 0 take away 0 is 0. 2 take away 2 is 0. 7 take away 2 is 5. 6 take away 5 is 1. 1,500. There we go. I could have done that in my mind, but yeah, whatever. So we finished 2 examples. Try one at home on your own. It's going to be easy, I promise.